is the day that my 4th sensory story is released. What is the weather? A really important question that I ask my sensory class every single morning. We have a look outside and we decide what the weather is. So really important that the children understand what the weather types are, what they need to dress for the weather in a sensory way, as that is how my children learn best. Just like the other stories, this one starts with what is a sensory story, a little bit of instructions there about how to tell a sensory story in a really successful way, and also the instructions as well, everything you need to tell this story, or my recommendations anyway. Obviously this is flexible for your children and their interests. And if you scan this QR code here, you can download it, save it, print it, you can photocopy it, use this as you will. I often like to print this and then put it in a little plastic wallet and then put it in the bag with all the rest of the things, so that when my teaching assistants are telling the story, when I'm telling the story, everything's ready and we can follow this as we go through it. Let's look outside. What is the weather? Let's look outside. What is the weather? Let's look outside. What is the weather? Thunder and lightning, flash and echo. Thunder and lightning, flash and echo. Thunder and lightning, flash and echo. The sun shines bright and warm. The sun shines bright and warm. The sun shines bright and warm. Rain falls as we splash in puddles. Rain falls, ooh, as we splash in puddles. Rain falls as we splash in puddles. Wind howls through the trees. Wind howls through the trees. Wind howls through the trees. Frost covers the ground, glistening. Frost covers the ground, glistening. Frost covers the ground, glistening. Stinging hail clattering to the ground. Stinging hail clattering to the ground. Stinging hail clattering to the ground. Low-lying fog hiding the world. Low-lying fog hiding the world. Low-lying fog hiding the world. Refracted light creates a rainbow. Story has finished. You can purchase this from my Amazon bookstore. The link is in the description for my whole series. I'd love you to check it out. And there'll be lots more books just like this throughout the year. I'm releasing 1 or 2 every month. My class and I are having great fun creating them, and I hope your pupils like them too.